Nate Yechmanek here with Plant Moran. I lead a lot of training sessions with state organizations. And most of those state organizations like to look at information for their state only. In a recent Tableau training class, we walked through creating a filled map. One of the participants asked, can we get rid of those surrounding states? Let's see how we did it. This visualization uses publicly available COVID data for Colorado. Here we can see the surrounding states. If we want to get rid of those states, we can just set the washout to 100%. Go up to Map, Map Layers, and set washout to 100%. This looks great, but what if we're missing data for some of our counties? For example, just wipe out these top counties. And we will wipe out maybe these bottom counties. Now we don't know if we're looking at Colorado or if we're looking at Tennessee. Wouldn't it be great to keep the outline of Colorado, regardless of whether some of the counties have data or not? What we're going to do is use Tableau's calculated field and dual axis functionality to make this happen. The first thing we do is create a calculated field. My go-to place is this tiny little arrow at the top of our data pane. We click on it and click on Create Calculated Field. We'll give it a good name, call it Colorado, and single or double quotes, we just make sure that we spell Colorado correctly. Get the wonderful message, calculation is valid, click on OK. Here's our brand new calculated field, and if we look closely, it has this ABC symbol on it. What we need to do is geocode it, similar to county here. So to do that, we click on the ABC, geographic role, and go find state county, state province actually. All right, so now our Colorado field is geocoded. Next, we create a mirror image of our visualization. While holding down the control key on our keyboard, we just click, hold, and drag latitude next to itself. And this creates a mirror image. We could have done the same thing with the longitude pill, doesn't really matter. This also gives us 3 marks cards to work with. All, a marks card for our top visualization, and a marks card for our bottom visualization. With the bottommost marks card selected, we modify it. The first thing we do is wipe out the existing pills. And now we want this bottom visualization to consist of the border for Colorado. So we go drag our brand new field on over to the detail button on our marks card and change the mark type to map. Lastly, what we want to do is overlap these county fields on top of our state outline. But before we do that, the dark gray is a little bold. Let's go ahead and make it a bit more subtle. So we click on color and click on a lighter shade of gray. Now we utilize the dual axis functionality. Right click on the rightmost pill on your row shelf. Click on dual axis. Oh no! Our counties are being covered up by the border of Colorado. Not a big deal. All we need to do is reorder our pills on the row shelf. Now we see all the counties we have data for, the outline of our state, for context, and no surrounding states. There you go. Plant Moran's business analytics team tackles everything from large data integration and reporting projects to migrating manual Excel tasks to automated workflows. I focus on technical training, and that technical training is typically customized. And by customized, we mean customized. Your data, your use cases, and the functionality you want to see. So send me an email or give me a call, and let's just have a conversation about how we can help you get to where you want to be. Thanks so much for watching.